happy birthday and no matter what po, andito po kami. Madami pong nagmamahal sa inyo. Alam niyo po yan.
And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life.
Si Ludi, hindi ko lang friends. I used to call her sister. Kung 41 years siya, ako 40 years. 40 years din kami magkaibigan.
For the curtain fall, life is not a race. It's all one big show. I can see it now that the truth is told. Feels like letting go. 'Cause I love this life. Yeah, it feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. 'Cause I love this life. And the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, I love this life. Yeah, I love this life. Yeah, I love this life. Yeah, I love this life.
Mami Ludi, happy birthday. At congratulations sa inyong retirement.
Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat na nakiisa at lalo-lalo na sa aking pamilya, kay Ann na nag-organize, sa lahat ng mga kasama ni Ann, sa buong pamilya ko, mga kaibigan. Maraming pong salamat. Talaga ako'y na-surprise at maraming salamat nilaanan nyo ako ng oras. God bless po sa ating lahat.
Happy birthday. Ang haba.
Maraming salamat po for all your help. This is a dream come true. Of course, I want to make my parents happy. I want to make them feel na sobra ko silang mahal because yun yung pinaramdam nila sa amin ni Kuya.
Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life.